Okay, this is try 2. It's really actually like try 4, but it's try 2 on this road. Because at 11 o'clock this morning, 11 p.m. last night, when we were going to get up and go do this for a sunrise hike, it was thundering and lightning. And then at 4 a.m. we couldn't see stars. So we weren't sure what the clouds were doing, so we're trying to get in at 7 p.m. So it actually works out okay because there's no one around to let us in anyways. So we're gonna go do that right there. Which doesn't look very intimidating from here. But it is 17,000 feet. We're about 2 hours in to our hike, and we're at about 14,600 feet. So I'm officially the highest I've ever been. Back there somewhere is the summit, and somewhere between here and the summit is a refugio. And these are the clouds that have been kind of dancing with us, coming in and out. They're big, white, fluffy clouds, so we're doing all right now. Just keeping an eye on them. We're actually closer to the refugio than the car right now, so that's where we're headed, should weather show up. Yeah, this is what 14,600 feet looks like. We've got about 2,500 left. And we're actually on some pretty manageable trail. I can actually breathe better than I can at the top of a 14er, ironically. At about 15.2. We have to go down. To go up to the refugio. What you doing, Jeremy? What?
Sleeping. Waiting for someone to get not shaky.
I don't know who that would be.
Just hanging out.
The refugio. Doohinky thing. The random ice axe. That's a refugio at 15.2. We just stopped at 8. And packed up when it was sunny, and now there's more clouds. But they should not be getting electrical, so we're gonna keep heading up that direction. And that is exactly what you do not want to hear when you're on the side of a mountain. So, we're going down the mountain. Alright. Back in the refugio. Waiting for the storm to go away. Because being out in that seemed like a bad idea.
Do a slow motion. Capture lightning strike again.
Okay, let's try 2. We have 2 hours to go up and down. It's about 15,000 feet. And there's blue sky. So we're gonna see what we can do. And just like that, we're scooting back down, dipping dots like snow, because that view we just had became this. It's just too unpredictable. It's not actually stormy right now. There's no distant thunder or anything, but we can't see anything. So Jeremy did this thing where he gave me these Mexican energy pills twice in like a 3-hour time period, and they're working. I don't know why he would do that. Do you regret anything yet?
Just the pills.
It's so pretty. Why's it gotta be such a hater? Courtesy of our last relatively intelligent decision. We are now going to be racing in the sun down the mountain rather than the storm up the mountain. We think the little nipple thing on the left-hand side is a summit that we were going for. And right now over on the clouds are on the left. As you can see, there's lightning. So not going up there, probably the right life choice.